When we were trying out our Mo implementing Letrec with boxes, I stopped short of this last example, where we're using x too early in Letrec x equals x, and so we would really like to get an error about using x too early, just like Shplait produces. Right now what happens though is that we get the answer 42. And the reason for that, of course, is that 42 is our initial dummy value that we put into the box. So if we use the variable too early, we get a 42 out. What we would like to do instead is make a distinction in the box about whether the value is ready or not, just in case the 42 that's there really is a value that it should be. To make that distinction, we will change binding one more time to have not just a box of value, but a box of option of value. Option of is a predefined type in Shplait. It has two variants, a none variant and a some variant. And so what we will do is we will put a none in the value box to mean that it's not ready to be used yet, and we'll put a sum with a specific value in the box when it is ready to be used, and then that value can be extracted. On the interp side, that means we initialize the box with a none inside of it, and then once we do get a value back from interp, then we put that value inside of a sum to put inside of the box. And that way we know that the box has been initialized and that this value is a good one and not just an initial dummy value. Checking that out in the code, we have that same Letrec case right here. If we try out our factorial example, it works. If we try out our simple Letrec example with x equals 10, it works. If we try out the Letrec where we use x too early, now we do get a use before initialization from lookup, which means it's our error, not one that we inherited from Shplait. And of course, we can mention the variable that was used too early in the error message.